Hello, what's up everyone, welcome back to Keto Blogging, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add custom schema markup to your website using Rankmath SEO Pro plugin. So if you are using Rankmath Pro plugin, then you will be able to add custom schema markup to your page. So let's check how you can do that. So I have created a page called Blogging Tools, and I have listed all the hosting tools, themes, WordPress page builders, SEO plugins, performance plugin, and I want to include some custom schema markup on this page. So Rankmath gives you the option to add additional schema markup like article, book, courses, events, fact check. So all the schema markup are there, but I want to add some additional schema markup on this page. So I asked ChatGPT suggest me which schema markup should I use on this page, and it suggested me that I should use item list schema, and it also generated me this schema code. So let's check how we can use this code in this page. So for this, first you need to have the Rankmath Pro plugin installed on your website, and after that under the schema tab you will click on schema generator, and here I will click on import and I will select JSON LD custom code. Now I need to paste that code and I will click on process code, and as you can see it has detected item list schema. So I will click on use, and it will automatically add the type, name and all these things like this. So I just need to click on save for this post, and as you can see I have added a item list schema, which is a custom schema markup that I added to the Rankmath Pro plugin. Now I can save it and I can also validate it in rich result tool. So let me click on this I button, and this is the code. I can click on test with Google and it will test the code in rich result test tool. So this is how you can add custom schema markup to your WordPress website. And if you don't know how to add schema markup without using any plugin, then do let us know in the comment section. I will bring a separate video on that where I will show you how you can add custom schema markup in WordPress website without using any plugin. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and do let me know on which topic you want me to make videos next. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.